Hi students, this is AR and you are watching my YouTube channel AR English Lab. Today we are going to take a start for the topic of phonetics. This topic is very important. So you must have to be very careful. Let's start. Firstly, we discuss the definition of phonetics. What is the definition of phonetics? A branch of linguistics in which sound of a human speech is studied is called phonetics. Actually, in this definition, it is described that phonetics is a branch of linguistics. First thing is that which you have to keep in your minds, that phonetics is a branch of linguistics, and in this branch of linguistics human speech sound is studied. And when we want to study human speech sound, then we have to keep three things in our minds. First one is production of human speech sound, like how this human speech sound is produced. Number two, transmission, like how human speech sound is transmitted or is transferred from one place to another or from one man to another. So this is called as transmission. Number three, how this human speech sound is received. So these three things we study in human speech sound. And when we want to study these three things, then it is studied in this branch of linguistics, which is named as phonetics. So this is the explanation of this definition, phonetics. For further explanation, we just come towards explanation, which is here. Human speech sound can be studied through various ways. Like here we are going to discuss how human speech sound is studied, or what are the methods through which human speech sound is studied. So here we discuss it in detail. Number one, articulatory phonetics. What is articulatory phonetics? Articulatory phonetics deals how the sounds are produced. In it, we study how the sounds are produced. Like if someone is saying book, book. So how this sound is produced? This is studied in articulatory phonetics. Number two, acoustic phonetics. What is acoustic phonetics? Acoustic phonetics deals how sounds are transmitted. Like here it is described how sounds are transferred from one man to another, or how sounds are transmitted from one place to another. This is studied in acoustic phonetics. For example, if A and B are two friends and A is producing some sound, so how this sound is transmitted from A to B, this is studied in acoustic phonetics. Very next is auditory phonetics. What is auditory phonetics? Let's come. Auditory phonetics deals how sounds are received. Like in it we study how sounds are received. Again, I would like to give you the example Like if A and B are two friends, and A is producing some sound, A is producing some sounds. So how these sounds are just going to be received by B? Like he receives these sounds from his ears, and afterwards he just saves it in his brain, etc. and etc. So this is reception process. So this reception process is studied in auditory phonetics. Now we move towards the kinds of sounds. Sounds are divided into two kinds. Number one, consonant sounds. Dear students, you know very well the letters of alphabet are 26. Like 21 are consonants and 5 are vowels. So here we discuss consonant sounds. What are consonant sounds, etc. and etc. We are just going to discuss about it. Consonant sounds are those sounds which are produced after obstruction in the mouth. Obstruction means hurdle. So he says when consonant sounds are produced, then it is or these sounds are produced after some hurdle in the mouth. For example, if I say cat, so caw, this sound. So if we observe this sound, then we come to know this sound is just producing after obstruction, after hurdle in the mouth. So this is like a consonant sound, because we are just studying in it. Consonant sounds are those sounds which are produced after obstruction, and this sound is producing after obstruction. So we just say this is consonant sound. Very next is vowel sounds. Firstly, you will have to keep one thing in your minds. This is not vowel. This is vowel. So vowel sounds. Now we just see what are vowel sounds. Vowel sounds are those sounds which are not produced with obstruction in the mouth. Like there is no obstruction when to just produce a vowel sound. Obstruction, again, you know, this is a hurdle. For example, if I say apple, so this sound is producing, and when this sound is producing, then there is no obstruction, there is no hurdle in the mouth. So this is called vowel sounds. So this was the lecture, phonetics and its explanation. I'm sure you have understood very well about this topic. If you have understood, if you get this whole lecture, then subscribe my channel, AR English Lab. Thank you. Bye-bye.